eye looks clear. Opening the mouth now. No lesions, teeth are good.
Releasing. Starting the rinse on this one. Got the next batch ready. All right, let's get it on the table.
The scales are perfectly aligned here. No blemishes or tears visible. This piece meets our quality standards. Let's get these measurements right for the crocodile leather. This piece is perfect for the upper pattern. Now to update the digital template.
Check these for texture.
Okay, these feel right.
Good. Set them aside. Let's inspect these crocodile leathers. Checking the upper and laces. Now for the sole and heel. Excellent. Now the second one. Perfect, no flaws. Moving the luxury shipment to dispatch. Path is clear.